Have you ever imagined a cocktail that tastes of chocolate but has no chocolate in it whatsoever? Well, I'm going to make you a sublime moment, and hopefully you'll be inspired to make this at home. It's got some Bombay Sapphire, some pink grapefruit and some vanilla sugar syrup in there. Bring all these flavours together. You don't taste the grapefruit, you don't taste the vanilla, but you taste chocolate. It's like 70% Valrhona chocolate. It's amazing. And this process is called a transmogrification. Amazing word, so let's go on and make it. We're going to start off by chilling our glass. We've got a lovely little coupette glass here. It's actually designed by Marie Antoinette, so it's meant to look like one of her bosoms. So we're just going to add some ice to this and a little bit of soda water and rest this off to the side, and that's going to start chilling whilst we get on with making the cocktail. So we need a cocktail shaker, and then we're going to go for some grapefruit juice, some lovely pink grapefruit juice. Now you can either buy really good quality pink grapefruit juice like that, fresh is always best. And I've picked up this nifty little gadget in Australia, but you can get them in cookware shops all over the UK and Europe. And basically, it's an orange and a grapefruit juicer. And you literally twist that into the fruit and then squeeze it into your measure. And we want 25 mils of this. Nice, fresh, tasty, a little bit sour pink grapefruit there. And we're going to measure that into our Boston glass. Next up, we need some vanilla sugar syrup. Now you can buy this, you can buy it from coffee shops, things like that, but it's so easy to make. Slit a vanilla pod down the middle, scrape out the seeds, put it into a little container or a pan, add 250 mils of water to 500 grams of sugar. Put it on the hob, heat it up, 6 minutes or so. The sugar melts into the water, the flavour of the vanilla comes out, and hey presto, you've got your own homemade vanilla sugar syrup. And then here we have 50 mils of our Bombay Sapphire. Now I'm going to fill this full of cubed ice, and then we're going to give it a really good shake. Give it a little tap like that, and that's going to hold it together. It's magic. Like the cocktail, it's magic. And then we're going to give it a really good shake. With the edge of your hand, give it a tap. We take our ice water, throw that into the sink, flick off any water in there. That's a nice chilled glass. And we use our Hawthorn strainer to hold the ice back in the cocktail shaker. And because we've shaken it really, really hard, you're going to get these little shards of ice. So we're going to use a tea strainer and pour the cocktail through the tea strainer into the glass. And then to garnish this, I'm going to take my pink grapefruit, use a potato peeler, just draw that across the grapefruit, and then just trim it with a knife. So I'm just making a nice big leaf shape here. I'm going to put another cut in just down the edge, so it looks like that. And then another little cut in there. And then we fold this bit up and over, round and in through that hole. And then add that to the edge of the glass. And there you have a sublime moment. It amazes me every single time I try this cocktail. You've got that sort of 70% Valrhona chocolate taste. You don't really get the vanilla or the grapefruit. It's amazing, and the gin's botanicals are coming through as well. You've definitely got to try this at home. It's amazing, and it's been transmogrified.